Hey guys, welcome to Acadebility. In this session, we'll provide a deep explanation of what Node.js is, including its core components, its unique features, and how it leverages the V8 engine and the operating system. So let's get started. What exactly is Node.js? In simple terms, Node.js is an open source JavaScript runtime built on Google Chrome's V8 JavaScript engines, which allows which allows you to run JavaScript code outside the web browser and execute it on the server side, which makes it ideal for building scalable and high performance web applications. So this is the introduction, like the basic definition of Node.js, what is Node.js is. Now let's check some of the key features of Node.js that set it apart from the traditional server-side technologies. Node.js is known for its asynchronous and non-blocking nature. This means that it can handle multiple requests simultaneously without getting blocked by any input-output operations. As a result, Node.js application can efficiently handle large number of concurrent connections, making it very highly scalable. Next is like Node.js follows single-threaded event loop architecture. This means that it utilizes a single thread to handle multiple concurrent requests. Instead of creating a new thread for each incoming request, Node.js uses an event-driven approach to process requests asynchronously. This event loop allows for efficient handling of input-output operations without blocking the execution of the code. Next is the V8 JavaScript engine. One of the key component of Node.js is the V8 JavaScript engine developed by Google for their Chrome browser. V8 compiles JavaScript code into an optimized machine code, resulting in fast execution. Node.js leverages the V8 engine to execute JavaScript code on the server side, providing high performance and the efficiency. Node Package Manager, or NPM, is the default package manager for Node.js. It allows developers to easily install, manage, and share reusable JavaScript packages. With NPM, you have an access to vast ecosystem of the open source libraries and the frameworks, which makes it very effortless to integrate the third party functionality into your Node.js applications. Now let's explore how Node.js interact with the operating system. So Node.js is built to interact with the underlying operating system, providing access to various system resources like reading, writing, creating network connections, many things. So let's check. It means how some of the features, like how key operating system interaction with the Node.js. First is the file system. Node.js offers a powerful file system module called FS. FS that allows you to perform the various file related operations. You can read the files, you can write data to the files, you can create or delete directories, and many more. This functionality is very important for handling the file input output operations, what I talked earlier, input output operations in your applications. So, second is the networking. Node.js provides networking capabilities through modules like HTTP and HTTPS, which allows you to create HTTP servers, make HTTP requests, and can handle network communications. So these modules let you build like the web servers You can create RESTful APIs and interact with the other network-based services. Okay. Uh, Next is the child process. Node.js enables the execution of external processes or the commands through the child processes module. Okay, so this feature allows you to run shell commands, execute scripts, and communicate with the other processes from within your Node.js application, which gives you flexibility and the ability to integrate with the existing system tool. Um, I will explain all these FS modules, networking HTTP modules, child process, each and every modules in the later videos. So don't worry, maybe it will be very hard to understand now, but don't worry, I'll explain in the next video. The next interaction with the operating system is the operating system information. Okay, so Node.js here also, Node.js provide one module such as OS that offers information and the functionality related to the underlying operating system. You can obtain details like CPU architecture, memory usage, and network interfaces, and many more. So this can be valuable for monitoring and optimizing your application performance. So Node.js also allows access to the net environment variables using process.env object. Here we are having one object called process.env. Through that we can access the environment variables. So environment variables are very important because it provides a way to configure and to customize your application's behavior based on the runtime environment, whether it's uh, a dev environment or maybe stage or the production. All these are based on these environment variables. You can retrieve values like the database connection strings, API keys, and any other configuration parameters with the environment variables. And after that, Node.js also support inter-process communication through various mechanisms such as socket. Socket is also one of the main important module provided by the Node.js, named pipes and message queues. So these are the capabilities which enable communication between different processes or even different instance of the Node.js application. Inter-process communication can facilitate coordination like data sharing or event-driven architecture. And now let's see uh, few the advantages of the Node.js. Okay, so a few of the advantages like speed and scalability, thanks to its non-blocking and asynchronous nature. Node.js excels in handling large volumes of concurrent requests, providing superior speed and scalability. Okay. Next is like with Node npm. Okay, developers can easily share and reuse the code. Okay, significantly reducing the development time and effort. Node.js enables full stack JavaScript development, allowing developers to use unified language like JavaScript and code base across the entire application stack from server to client. Okay, so here full stack it means Node.js for the backend server side script, client for the front end development. So for the both we are using a unified language called JavaScript. So Node.js having a very huge community and a very vast ecosystem of libraries and frameworks. This means that you can easily find support, resource, and tools to enhance your Node.js project. So that brings us to the end of this introduction to Node.js tutorial. So to conclude and to summarize what we have gone through in this video, we have explored what Node.js is and its key features, how it leverages with V8 engines and the operating system, as well as like its advantages in web application development, all those things. Okay, so in in the next video we'll dive deeper into the core concepts of Node.js, like modules, packages. As I explained, I'll explain each and every, not each and every, but for few of the modules like FS or OS, what I have talking about in the earlier videos. Okay, so including like packages, node, npm. Okay, so many more things will check go through. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next video. And if you like this video, just give a like, share and subscribe. Okay, thank you.